Thank God for life. Fast and furious on motion. It is a pity when a pity man dies in a pity condition. After everything, innocent village people would have to take the blame. I think bro saw death while being alive. Now shout alcohol. Bro needs to join Hollywood for Fast and Furious series. When death is calling and you respond, Fast and Furious gone wrong. Jubilation turn hospitalization, and then finally funeralization. Fast and Furious Africa edition. Now so I take drive for a dream, and I know they ever get accident. Sometimes the devil is innocent. The driver's like, let's check what's happening in heaven. The driver drunk 8 p.m. at 2 p.m. This is what happens when you drive me crazy. For a moment he thought he was in Formula 1. Olympic race practice gone wrong.
But how do you even start? Where is the building? Who is manning the roadblock? Any police checkpoint? Like how are they leaving the UK? In mathematics we call it improper fraction. The person who arranged these items can manage and arrange relationships. Ladies, when they finally decide to come back to the first man, how did they even put that on there? Bro's house moved with him. This one packed the entire country. How is it that this car is moving? Blood got a whole house on top of his car. 2 kids think this is AI. This car is going through a lot. The manufacturers of this car should see this. What my mind sees when my friend borrows my car. When the issues is bigger than the solution. Strongest suspension of all time. Easy to wash, easy to dry, waterproof stainless, easy to afford. The warm in cold weather, I wanna make orders. Put nitrogen air inside to absorb the heat. Are they made of tube, rubber or plastic? My sister, what are you up to? Anyways, we shall support you until you run mad. Baggy pants, and it waterproof too. The temperatures during an ordinary sunny day will be massive. Please, how much is the second one? Need one for my wife. Liquid protector. Please, ma'am, do you do delivery? I need one for my ex. Caution, no ventilation. Waterproof, can last for 30 years. You are fully protected, easy to repair. 5 years plan, they are called stretcher panties. Made